This is our room after 2 years ng pandemic. First time namin mag-staycation. So pagpasok, may pa art dyan. And then dito, para may mini hallway. And then, ayan yung parang glass. So parang may mirror. So may mirror lang dyan. So parang vanity mirror siguro kapag lalabas ka. And then this one, may small space here. This is yung parang open lang na cabinet. You have your 2 sleepers there since maximum of 2 adults and 2 kids pwede. Yung gamit and then few hangers. And then parang meron lang ditong small na couch. Upuan. Couch ba yun? Small na upuan. Tapos meron siyang pailaw dyan. Siguro pag gusto mo mag-read ng book or whatnot. Then, hindi naman siya super liit. For me, it's just fine. Tapos meron kang 2 queen beds. So, what I like with Ramada Encore by Wyndham, super bilis nung transaction from the lobby. Nabigyan kagad kami ng room kahit 2 p.m. pa yung check-in. By 12 pa lang ngayon ng hapon, nakapag-check-in na kami. So, ito yung beds. And then, ayan naman yung, this one is yung kettle for hot water, then 2 bottles, yung standard, and then yung cups for tea and coffee. Tapos, TV is, it's okay. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng big na TV. And then, in here, below, you have your, this one is yung parang lock. So, if you have valuables or whatnot. And then, what's this? I don't know what's this one. Oh, this is in case of fire. So, meron kang parang for emergency purposes or use, parang ano siya, pang hazard, yung fire escape mask. So, meron silang fire escape mask dyan. And then, dito naman sa isa, ito na yung mini ref. So, ito yung mini refrigerator. So, mukhang hindi pa siya open. So, open na lang namin siya later. And then, as I said a while ago, meron tayong 2 queen beds. So, pwedeng 4. Siguro, pag meron kayong kids, pwedeng din sila mag-itabi na lang sa bed kasi super laki. And then, all rooms are sanitized and cleaned as per the lobby. And then you have here your ito na yung menu dun sa kitchen, dun sa baba. And then you also have the TV channels here. And then you have your mini light. So this one is parang, I think it's your mini light if you wanna read. Oh, you also have lights dun sa gilid, both sides. Yung mini light, hindi ko alam paano siya i-open, sorry. Basta meron siyang mini light dyan. So siguro if you wanna read, pag natutulog na yung kasama mo or whatnot, you can read. Then, in fairness with the room, it's clean. Tapos meron siyang big window there. Super laki na window. Tapos yung view is yung Makati. So parang other side of Makati yung view. So, yan siya. So, gusto ko lang dito is yung big window. Hindi nakaka-suffocate. Kasi ang laki ng window niya. So, parang feeling mo infinity or something. So, hindi nakaka-suffocate yung room. And then, you have your mini table here. So, if you're working, you have a laptop, yun nga lang, you can use the chair. Kung mag-work ka, yung chair doon. And then, you have your phone here, notepad, and then pen. And then you also have here your overall experience, so sa feedback. And then you have your mini, what's this? Lamp. And then this is the comfort room. Oh gosh. Yung comfort room niya, so yan yung itsura ng comfort room. So okay naman siya. You have the basic necessities. Like essentials, like your vanity kit, you have your vanity kit, you have your toothbrush, dalawang toothbrush, and then your soap and tissues, meron dyan. And then, of course, yung toilet, and then your shower. So, I think okay naman siya. And then you also have your two, meron ka din dito dalawang, ang tawag nito, meron ka ditong towel. So, interesting part is this one. So, as you can see, it's a window, vanity window. Vanity window. As you can see, this is the mirror. Pero if you click this one in red, so nag-open siya. So, parang if mag-aayos ka, or if you want, you know, a clear view of yourself, so napaka-helpful ng ilaw na yan sa side. So that's the CR. Then you also have here your lower, and then meron din socket, and then your other towels then. So basically that's Ramada Encore. You can book because they're naka-promo sila for 3,000 or 299 per night. So maganda naman siya. So super friendly naman ng vibe, at saka okay naman din siya for quick staycation or workation if you want to.